If you are replacing a door or several doors in your home, there are a few things you should quickly think about first. 1. Over time, your house shifts and settles ever so slightly, and if you've just purchased a brand new, perfectly square door, you'll most likely find that it doesn't fit properly in your door frame. For this reason, we recommend replacing your trim and jambs as well, especially if you're doing multiple doors. It will add to the overall budget of your project, but it will save you a lot of complications down the road. 2. Depending on where the door is, you want to make sure you have the proper door. For example, if you're replacing your bathroom door, you'll want to replace it with a sound dampening door, opposed to a hollow core door that may look the same on the outside. And finally, building codes may require code-specific doors, such as a fire-rated door or automatic closers. You should always check building codes in your area or consult your Build It Better coach.